Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your menu on Clover. First, locate and tap the Menu app icon on your Clover device's home screen. Once inside, you will see several options. Navigate directly to the Items section. This is where you will manage all the products and services you offer. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection for seamless operation and updates. Now, let's add your first item. Tap the plus icon, usually found at the bottom right, to create a new entry. Input the item's name, its selling price, and a short description for your customers. To keep your menu organized and easy to browse, create categories like appetizers or main courses. Assign each new item to its appropriate category for a clear layout. To offer more choices, utilize modifiers and variations. Modifiers allow customers to customize orders, for example, adding extra sauce or requesting no pickles. You can set specific prices for these additions. Variations are perfect for items with different sizes, like small, medium, or large coffee, or different colors. Ensure each variation has its correct price and inventory details for accurate tracking. Before making your menu live, take a moment to thoroughly review everything. Check all item names, prices, descriptions, and category assignments for accuracy. Once you are confident, tap the Save or Publish button to push your menu to your Clover devices. If possible, test it on a customer-facing screen to ensure it looks perfect. You can always make adjustments later if needed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.